Welcome to Boltstar, the world of getting pole-based construction done fast and efficiently. Boltstar provides a fast, easily repeatable process that delivers consistent quality in half the time compared to the conventional method. And Boltstar is reusable. To appreciate the benefits of Boltstar, let's take a moment to review an inefficient method of building bolt templates, the way it's commonly done today. The conventional method is labor-intensive and typically involves the custom fabrication of a wood template for each base. Without Boltstar, it's a painful 14-step process, riddled with time-consuming steps, opportunities for costly errors, and the inherent safety risks that come with the use of saws and drills at every step along the way. For each pole base, material has to be ordered and labor is expended measuring and cutting material for the template, followed by inspection and then the concrete pour. After the pour, it's time to trowel finish the exposed pole base top. But stop right there. A huge inefficiency exists at this point with the conventional method. There's insufficient room to finish the entire pole base top in one step. The conventionally built pole templates get in the way. What happens next is the crew must wait around for 30 to 45 minutes until the concrete sets up. Only then can the wood template be removed to allow performing the final finish. Pull the template too early and run the risk of the bolts sinking or shifting. On the other hand, wait too long and the top can't be completed with a quality finish, leaving unsightly form marks in the top of the base. This is the way it's been done for years with little or no innovation until Boltstar. Introducing Boltstar, an innovative multifunction pole-based template engineered to hold the anchor bolts, rebar cage, and conduit securely in place during the concrete pour. The result of years of design refinement and testing, Boltstar is a superior bolt template designed by contractors to virtually eliminate the drawbacks of the conventional pole-based construction process. Install Boltstar over the conduits and place it directly on top of the tube form. Boltstar is self-supporting, which means there's no time wasted cutting custom support forms and building templates out of wood. Check Boltstar's integrated bubble levels to ensure a level base before securing the tube to the H-frame. Boltstar's unique design features built-in slots for anchor bolts between 5/8 and 1 inch in size and accommodates the pole manufacturer's bolt patterns and specifications. What's more, verify that anchor bolts are set to the correct elevation above top of form using Boltstar's bolt projection calculator. Wire up the rebar cage using Boltstar's specially designed cage positioning slots in each arm. These slots center and firmly hold the rebar cage during the concrete pour. In fact, the slots are strong enough to hang 500 pounds. Call for inspection and you're ready to pour. Boltstar's forearms feature wide openings that easily accommodate the concrete chute or pump, including plenty of room for a vibrator. After the pour, there's no waiting around. Boltstar's patented arched arms allow easy access with a trowel, so the entire top of the base can be finished in one step, while anchor bolts are held firmly in perfect alignment. Return after the concrete sets up, remove Boltstar, and save it for the next job. Boltstar, an innovative tool that's changing the way we think about constructing pole bases and significantly improving methods in the industry. Be the first in your area to start reaping the benefits of Boltstar, the ultimate professional bolt template tool.